How's it going? It's Zach Martin with the Martin Group, and I want to talk about our upcoming buyer workshop. I'm so excited for it. We're going to be helping 4 different types of buyers at this workshop. The first one is our first-time home buyer. You've never bought a house before. You just want to understand how this whole thing works. Our second one is our retail, or what I call move-up buyer. So maybe you own a condo or a townhome or a small property, and you're thinking about buying a bigger one, and you have questions like, should I sell my property? Should I rent it? What should I do? Should I refinance it? We're going to talk through the decision matrix for that, as well as our fix and flip and rental buyers, which are basically our investors, right? You're an investor, you want to fix and flip property, or maybe you've never done it before and you want to look into fixing and flipping or renting or even using Airbnb. We want to talk through how we ourselves run numbers for our own fixes and flips and our own rental property. So look forward to seeing you at our upcoming buyer workshop.